evening and welcome back after your Easter holidays. Now, today we're going to look at page 62 and we're going to correct our homework that we had for the Easter holidays. Do you remember I asked you to do exercise number 2, grammar? So let's take a look, shall we? Letter A. So it says, grammar, present perfect plus yet, just and already. Letter A. Complete the conversations using the words in brackets in the present perfect form. Use contractions where possible. So let's have a look at the example. Number 1. Has Peter arrived? Yes, he has. He's in the kitchen. Okay. Now, let's look at number 2. Have you done your homework? No, I haven't. I'm going to do it later. Number 3. What's for lunch? I don't know. I haven't made anything. What's the matter? Number 4. I've cut my hand. And number 5. I've made a big mistake. Oh no, what have you done? No? Any problems with letter A? No? Number 1, have you done? Number 2, have you done? Number 3, I haven't made. Number 4, I've cut. And number 5, I've made. ¿No? Mezclando ahí las formas contraídas con algunos verbos irregulares. ¿No? Excellent. Now, let's move on to letter B. It says, rewrite the sentences with already or yet in the correct place. Now, there is an example. Let's look at the example. Number 1, I've done the washing. I've already done the washing. ¿No? Delante del verbo principal. Now, shall we check number 2? Have you made any plans for the weekend yet? ¿Dónde va el yet? Al final. Number 3. We haven't finished lunch yet. ¿No? Es negativo. ¿No? Al final va el yet. Number 4. Daniel has already tidied his room. ¿No? Already, ¿dónde va? Delante del verbo principal. Number 5. I've already done the ironing. No? Already, before the main verb. Number 6. Have you been to the supermarket yet? No? In the question, yet goes at the end. Number 7. I haven't cleaned the bathroom, okay? I haven't cleaned the bathroom yet, of course, is negative. And number 8, Edward has already taken out the rubbish. No? Already goes before the main verb. So far, so good? Okay, let's look at letter C. Complete the sentences. Use just plus the present perfect and a verb from the list. Use contractions. Are you ready? So we have an example. Number 1, sorry. You've just missed dinner. Okay, number 2. He's just fallen off his bike. Number 3. They've just won the cup. Number 4. I've just cleaned the floor. Number 5. She's just laid the table. And number 6. She's just done the washing up. Any problems? No? Okay. Now, let's look at letter D. Complete the conversation between 2 flatmates. Use the present perfect and the words in brackets. Use contractions where possible. Mark says, hey Joe, where are you? Remember Matt and Tracy are coming for dinner in an hour. And Joe says, hi, I've just got on the bus. I'll be home in 20 minutes. Have you made dinner yet? And Mark says, what? No, I haven't started yet. And Joe says, why not? What's the problem? And Mark says, we need some rice and onions. And Joe says, why didn't you tell me before? I've just been to the shop. Mark says, well, don't worry, I can go now. I've cleaned the flat. And I've already laid the table. And Joe says, okay, great, see you soon. So that's letter D. Now let's have a look at letter E. Now here are just some suggestions, que cada uno va a tener sus opciones, ¿vale? Pero aquí tenéis algunas sugerencias mías. Write true sentences about, number 1, 3 things you've already done today. I've already had lunch. I've already done the vacuuming. I've already loaded the dishwasher. Okay, number 2, 3 things you haven't done yet, but which you are going to do today. I haven't done the shopping yet. I haven't taken out the rubbish yet. I haven't made dinner yet. And 1 thing you've just done, I have just had a cup of tea. Okay? Now, so those are the answers to your homework, ¿no? Si tenéis algún problema, me podéis comentarlo por WhatsApp o por email o como vosotros queráis, ¿vale? Como es presente perfecto, que es un tema que quizás es nuevo, pues lo vamos a hacer un poco más despacito, ¿vale? O sea que este es vuestro vídeo por hoy, con las correcciones de la tarea por si hay algún problema para poder resolver alguna duda o atender a cualquier pregunta, ¿vale? So thank you very much for listening. We'll talk soon.